Hello, welcome. My name is David Samoje. Welcome to this new t-shirt design video. I'm the owner and founder of What a T-shirt Design. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to design a very simple t-shirt design that sells. Yes, a very simple t-shirt design that sells. As you can see, it's super easy to design high tail finger clothing designs. You don't need to make things complicated for yourself. So without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to design one in Photoshop, and I hope you follow me through the part. Please don't click off this video. I beg you, I plead with you, please don't click off this video if you actually want to learn how to design a t-shirt design, or you want to make a design for print on demand such as Teespring, Redbubble, Match by Amazon. You are inspired by wholesale Ted and the other guys. Please watch this to the very end. I will advise you. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So click on File, New. This is the dimension I love to design with. So if you have yours in this dimension, you are super ready to go. Just press OK. Then you click on this box, on that padlock, and you unlock it. Okay, now I've unlocked it. Now I can put up the layer, put it on, put it up, put it on. I'm doing that because we need to transfer our design without this white background, so that's what we'll do at the end. But without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right to it. This is going to be a very simple design and it's not going to take us time. So in this one, we're just gonna write gifted. We're just gonna say gifted. As you can see, it's quite small. I'll just Ctrl A to highlight it and come here, 72. You can see it's still quite small. So what I'm gonna do now is to try to increase this. So I'll just move it using my left mouse drag this to the middle, and I'm just going to do Ctrl T over my mouse to this edge, press 3 buttons, which are Alt key button, my Shift key button, my left mouse click button, and drag. So now we have that. Just press Enter. Just try to make sure it's in the middle. And now I'm going to duplicate this 5 more times. I'm going to duplicate this 5 more times so that I can put the effects down. So to do that, I'm going to over my mouse to this edge. I'll click on my Alter button. Clicking down my Alter button, use my left mouse button. I'll drag down. That's 1. I'll do that again. Alter key button, pressing it down with my left mouse button makes it 3. I'll do that again with my left mouse, pressing down my Alter key button, my left mouse key button, press it again, and again. Now we'll have that all set up. The next step will be to put in my effects into this, which will not take me time. So to do that, all we have to do now is starting from this one, we're just gonna change everything. So from this first one, we click on this T. We'll make this, I'll make it blue. I'll come over here, I'll come back here and make this 2. I'll highlight this 2. I'll make it blue again. It's quite simple. All you have to do is just like your normal highlight. So this is the third one, which is this one, and you see it's already on here. So you just over your mouse here and you just drag your mouse to highlight this 3. Then you come here and click on the blue. You do that for these 2. Highlight here and click on this 4. You do that for these 2. Please stick around with me to the end. You do this again for this 5. Make it blue. And for the last one, you just make all blue. It's as simple as ABC. It's as simple as ABC. You don't need to make things complicated. As you can see, shirt design is all set. The word next is to put off this background. Just put off the background as you can see, then we'll save it as gifted. Save as picture gifted. Gifted to. I'm gonna save it. Now that I've saved it, come back here again. I'll save it as PNG. Just saving this as PNG because we need a very strong and high quality image for the shirt, so we'll save it as PNG. Now that we have that all sorted out, the next step would be to transfer it onto our mockup. You must know this, every t-shirt design needs a good mockup. Mockups helps to sell your design more, helps your design get out, help people to want to buy it. So to do that is super easy. Just come to pictures. I already have my mockup downloaded. You can get your mockup from freepik.com. You can get your mockup from freepik.com. This is the mockup I always use in all my videos. As you can see, I already have 20 episodes up and running live on my channel. So please, if you want to learn properly using Photoshop and Canva, those are the two I use to design my t-shirt, please make sure you watch every video in my series. In my episode, I have 20 episodes up already. I only design t-shirts, so it should not be a problem. Anyone you watch, you are going to learn something new. So you just click on this box, delete this, and I'll bring in my new design, which is gifted. As you can see, this is it. So I'll just bring it in. I'll bring it into this Canva. See, I dragged it in. So I'll over my mouse to this edge and just reduce this. To reduce this, I'll over my mouse, do Alt key, Shift key button, left mouse key button, and drag inwards to reduce. And I'm done. I'll release my left mouse key button and my other two buttons, press enter. And now I'll just save it. Just save it. When I go back now, as you can see, it's on my shirt, but as you can see, it's black and you can't really see it. So what am I going to do now? I'm just gonna, I can leave it like this actually, so I won't change anything, but you can decide to make it white. As you can see, you can decide to make it white. I think I should make it white for this video, so I'm just going to leave it at white. I'm just going to leave it at white, and I'll save it as gifted to full. Remember, I saved the last one as gifted to, so I'll just save it as gifted to full, because my full design full, and I'll just save it as PNG. And that is it, it's ready. So please watch my other videos. If you click to your right, you see the playlist. You can just watch from the playlist, pick a video, watch. Make sure you watch at least 4 or 5 videos and you'll be super good at it. Thank you for watching this one. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good day. Bye. My name remains David Osamoje. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you, and see you tomorrow on another t-shirt design video. Have a lovely weekend. Say hi to your family for me. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Thank you very much.